Hey, I'm Mitch at Encapsulations Down Under, and I'm here to show off how we seam our vapor barriers together and how we beat the competition. A seam in a crawl space vapor barrier is obviously when two pieces of vapor barrier are coming together. We then apply a tape of some sort over the vapor barrier to give it a tight seal and prevent any moisture leaking through. This is our seam weld tape. This is one technique we use to apply two pieces of vapor barrier together. Here we have two pieces of vapor barrier that would be taped together. So we take our seam weld and we would apply it as so on the vapor barriers. Smooth that tight. We would then cut it. Once this is smooth on there very tight, we then peel off the backing. And we then apply the second piece of vapor barrier on here like so. Typically you have a larger overlap than what we're giving, but this is a demonstration purpose only. So then you smooth this on tight. And once this properly cures, you then have a watertight seal protecting against ripping apart in the crawl space. Whew. Thank you and have a wonderful day.